Welcome back to NPL Technical. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you to fix ChatGPT Network Error. If you are having this problem, then you are absolutely at the right place to fix your issue. By the end of this video, you will definitely gonna get rid from this issue. Without further ado, let's get started. So in the first phase, you need to do is that you need to go to the window bar and source settings, and then you need to click on system. Scroll down and find out the section called troubleshoot. Tap on it. Tap on all the troubleshooter. After that, you need to click on run option. Tap on troubleshoot my connection to the internet, and this will gonna fix the problem which are related to internet or networks. After that, you need to go get back to ChatGPT and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you can try the next method, which is going to the settings. First of all, you need to go to the settings, and after that you need to tap on the privacy and security sections. Scroll down and find out the cookies and other sites data section. Tap on it. Now again scroll down, you need to go to the section called see all data and permissions. Tap on it. Basically search OpenAI on the source bar, and then tap on delete icons and clear all the keys, cookies, data of ChatGPT. Once you've done that, check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you can try the next method, which is I would suggest to disable all the extension which you are using right now. Sometimes some extension can create this problem, so you need to disable all the extensions you are using right now. Once you've done that, refresh the page and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If still you are getting the same problem, then there is a next thing you can do is that you can use VPN to fix your issue. So Google Chrome web store, search any VPN you want. For example, I want to search DOS VPN and install the VPN on your browser. After installing the VPN on your browser, connect the VPN on your browser. Once you've done that, I hope this method really work out. If not, then you can try the last method, which is using the alternative browser. Sometimes the browser might cause this issue, so you need to install any alternative browser. Let's just assume that you are using Chrome right now, and in that case you can use either Microsoft Edge or Brave or any browser you want. In the same way, if you are using Brave browser, then you can use Chrome. So make sure you try logging your account from another browser, and this will definitely gonna work. If that doesn't fix your issue, lastly you can try restarting your PC. Yes, definitely you need to restart your PC after trying all the tips I share in the video. Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.